Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to drill this brake line out of here so you can reuse this fitting. Didn't think it could be done because I always thought it was just frozen in there and it just wasn't coming out. But the first thing you want to do is you find a drill bit about the size of brake line that you're working with. There's going to be different sizes, so I found one already. This one's pretty close. It's never going to be exact, but it's going to be close. Next thing you're going to want to do is put it in a vise. Get her in a vise, and you're not going to drill from that way. You're going to drill from that way. So get her in a vise, secure it up good. Put on your safety glasses. Hey, if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe and share to the channel. It's going to help me grow. So here you go. This is going to be, hopefully this bit is sharp enough. Sorry about that. So you want to drill in here, keep it straight. That's sharp, so that's a good thing. Make sure your toolbox drawers are shut, I guess. I got some brake line laying around. We're going to test it out here, make sure we're good. Like I say, keep her straight. You can see how rusty that is. And you don't want to hurt this flange area, just keep it going. This one's a little more extreme. Look at how rusty that is. Try to keep it going straight if you can. The main thing is we don't mess up this flange area. A lot of these fittings, now this fitting's going back on the brake line I'm working on, so you're not gonna, I don't want to replace the brake line. I just want to re-flare it and use this old fitting. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some oil on this one. This one's a little more extreme, but we can get it. So I gotta hold on to my vise here because my toolbox is moving. I'm gonna keep her just low pro. I'll clean up my mess later. Okay, I'm gonna throw a little more oil on there. You want to be patient, but it's gonna work. This one's the worst I've ever seen. And there we go. Uh-oh, take it easy. Okay, this had something. All right, pull her out of there. Make sure you don't mess nothing up. It's a little rusty here at the flange area, but I think I can clean that up with a wire wheel. Didn't mess it up there. Can reuse it. So now, next thing, this isn't the brake line I'm working with, but I got another video I'm gonna make on flanging, how to flange brake line that's a little brittle and old. This stuff here is hard to flange, especially because it's, you know, it's old and rusty. So I'm working on a rig and I'm trying to get the brake lines fixed up, and this is my deal. So if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. That's how you drill out the brake line out of a rusty brake fitting that I'm going to reuse. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.